Hey everyone, my name is Jackson Duke.
I'm Wyatt Burke.
I'm Covey Peacock.
I'm Christian Gonzalez, and our senior project is Godley Serves.
So what is Godley Serves?
Godley Serves is a student-led community service project that gives us in the community an opportunity to commit something bigger than ourselves.
You might also be wondering, what is the senior project class?
Senior project is an English 4 credit that seniors have the option to take to learn numerous leadership skills such as time management and accountability.
Project requests will be collected from members throughout the Godley community. If you or someone you know has a manual labor chore they are unable to complete around their house or business due to time, physical, or monetary limitations, please submit a project request.
Some of these projects might include mowing yards, picking up trash, cutting and hauling off tree limbs, general lawn or flower bed care, painting, and other tasks that do not require power tools.
There will be 2 QR codes at the end of this video. One is for volunteers interested in helping to sign up, and the other is for people to submit project requests. Godley Serves will be hosted April 5th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
All volunteers will meet at the CLI in the high school for a quick breakfast and to pick up the free t-shirt that's included for volunteering. Groups will then go to the project location that they're assigned. After projects are completed, we'll meet back in the CLI for lunch.
We're super excited to see you there.
Go Wildcats!